Hands down, Notebook LM has made a breakthrough recently to be more productive in your work, and for sure the part you are interested in more, that is how to take advantage of this awesome platform to earn online. Thus, in today's video, I'm gonna show you 6 different ways how you can make money online using this stunning website, Notebook LM from Google. So now let's dive in. And first of all, and the first and foremost, if we head over to Notebook LM, if you don't know about this awesome platform, here you can add any source you want, and here you can find in its latest update. It supports different formats, starting with text, PDF, passing through GIF, PNG, images, and so on and so forth. So just here you can upload anything you want, anything you can think of, from your Google Drive, from your website, from YouTube videos, anything, or just paste here your content or you jot down your thoughts manually. Or here you can find this awesome discover sources. Here, if you don't have any resource ready for your usage here in Notebook LM, you can go to discover sources. Then it's time now to search for anything you want from this web, from this option. And you can select fast research, or from web you can find some options. Okay, then you can get sources or fetch sources to use later on Notebook LM. Anyway, here just you can upload anything you want from as a resource, and here for sure, and it's a free plan, you can add up to 50 different sources to just mix all of them to make your output more professional and more comprehensive. So anyway, here when you just upload anything you want, okay, or get this from fetching from this web, from this new sources, like this one for example, I just here insert a text that's about 12 months to token language learning simplified. So here you can find in this amazing panel this magic outputs, including audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and slide deck. So now how we can make money online from Notebook LM using these outputs. First and foremost, of course, here we can actually make money online from Notebook LM using video overview. Here you can create an awesome video from this amazing source or from these resources entirely to create your explainer video that you can use later on as a YouTube video with your own touch, adding some graphics, some footage, some video clips as you want. But here, using video overview, you can generate high quality video, explainer video with awesome natural lifelike voiceover and so on. Video overview. So of course, the first way here you can utilize Notebook LM in your business and to earn money online. Of course, you can create your own YouTube channel based on a specific niche or specific topic. That way you can repurpose your sources to make beautiful output video using video overview. Secondly, of course, you can utilize Notebook LM to sell your digital items. Yes, you heard that right. Of course, here you can sell anything you want, starting with some reports, some flashcard, some quizzes, infographics, and slide decks as you want. So for example, if you go over to etsy.com, here if you search for flashcards, here you can find tons of these beautiful flashcards for students, for parents, as you see, that develop their intellectual abilities and make them more smart and increase their memory capability. Here you can create your own flashcards here using Notebook LM and sell them as digital products on different websites to sell your digital items. For example, it's.com, Creative Fabrica, PayHype, as you want. Of course, just leave down below in the first comment and description box the big list of the best websites to sell your digital products for free. Okay, so here you can use Notebook LM to generate digital items to sell as paid digital downloads on etsy.com and many of these websites. And the third way here you can utilize Notebook LM. Of course, you can provide your gigs on different platforms like Fiverr.com, Upwork as you want. Here you can, for sure, you can provide your offer and your gig just by creating some infographics from anything you want, from articles, from YouTube videos as you want. You can sell your bundles or your packages of infographics for social media content for done for you or ready to use in a specific niche or specific topic as you want. Or you can make your own slide decks professionally using Notebook LM, or anything. You can create your own articles from any sources as you want. So you can try providing these gigs professionally on Fiverr.com, Upwork, people per hour, and so on. You can use in the back end your Notebook LM power. Okay, so that way you can utilize Notebook LM to make money online as freelancer. And of course, here regarding creating your slide decks professionally on Notebook, you can go to Notebook LM like this, and I just make it from this source this awesome slide deck. This one, as you see, high quality slides, dash, the perfect pronunciation myth, amazing graphics, points, key lessons, perfect as you see. And of course, if you want to customize your decks to be more professional as you want, I just prepared for you a done for you prompt to create your own slide deck professional as you see. And of course, I just leave this prompt for free for you down below in the description box and the first comment as you see. Just you can copy and paste directly on slide deck. So Riemann, I just don't know how we can, where we can put this awesome prompt here in this pen icon. Then you can insert here this whole prompt. Of course, you can find here different options: detailed deck or presenter slides, and the length, short or default, and choose your output language: English, Arabic, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese as you like. Okay, then generate. Okay, so that way you can create your own slide deck using this amazing prompt. Anyway, here you can sell your freelancing platforms to create your own slide decks. And of course, that way also you can create your own books to sell on Kindle Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. So here you can sign up for free in Kindle Direct Publishing and create your own books about anything you want using this awesome featured slide deck to create your own ebook to sell and make money online on this amazing platform, Amazon.com. Okay. And next to here, for sure, you can utilize these slide decks to upload for free on slideshare.net. Here you can build up your authority here about a specific topic or a specific niche and get more traffic from these slides or from these presentations to your own website, your main product, your subscription-based service, or anything you want. Here you can upload your own slide deck that you made earlier on Notebook LM and get more visibility, get more traffic back to your own main website product as you want. Okay, and the next way to make money online from Notebook, of course, just by utilizing this awesome one that says audio overview. That means you can create a podcast or audio form from your sources that you can take as a podcast from two people are talking smoothly about your topic and your sources in awesome and professional way. Take advantage of these podcasts to make money online in different ways. Starting with, you can sell these podcasts on different platforms like redcircle.com. Here you can create your own account as a podcaster. Then you can upload these podcast episodes about a specific niche day by day, as you see. Or simply, you can repurpose this audio overview to beautiful short videos and share them as you want on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, as you see, using this awesome platform that is Revid.ai. The stunning website here using AI to repurpose any content literally to beautiful videos. So here, for example, if you ever to free AI video tools, here you can find this option audio to video. Just you can upload here your podcast, and just in few seconds it will be converted to beautiful short video. And of course, I just talked about this awesome platform previously. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. So that way you can utilize the option and the feature of creating your audio overview. And the second way to make online from Notebook.lm, of course, you can utilize these features to build up your email list just by using this amazing platform kit.com or beehive.com. Here you can build your own email list from your audience. And of course, you can utilize these options or these digital downloads from Notebook.lm to provide as a giveaway or free to your audience or your followers. And just you can send them a newsletter in a regular basis to promote your stuff, to promote your topic as you want. That way you can create your own email list from day one just by using these outposts, including mind maps, some podcast episodes, flashcards, some quizzes, infographics as you want. And the next way to make money online here, of course, just by using this reports option. That means you can create an amazing summary of this source or these sources. And for sure, you can go closer enough to create your own article using from reports. So you can convert and repurpose all these sources. It could be from Google Drive, images, videos, podcasts, and so on to create your own reports that you can utilize to create your own blog post, and then you can provide as a service on freelancing platforms, or you can use these articles on your own website. Then you can run your ads from Google Ads or something, or you can actually use these articles to promote your stuff, digital products, affiliate products as you want on different websites out there like medium.com as you want. So that way you can take advantage of this report section feature on Notebook.lm for free. And the next way to make money online from Notebook.lm just by selling these study notes to get paid using different websites like edubirdy.com or studypool.com and so on. You can sell your documents, of course, using as well that's amazing feature reports or slide decks or infographics or mind maps. All these outputs you can sell as study assets for students. And the next way to make money online, of course, by selling your articles or reports as well on different websites to get paid. For example, writersweekly.com. Of course, I just leave down below in the first comment and description box a big list of the best websites to pay you for writing articles. And of course, including writersweekly.com. As you see, so scroll all the way to the bottom, you can find this option that says write for us. And of course, you can find some guidelines how you can publish your own article here. And just don't forget to check out these links down below in the first comment and description box to be more professional. How that way you can make online from Notebook.lm in different ways. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.